For the question 7, the zt is equal to n1t cosine mu ct multiply t plus theta plus n2t sine mu multiplies t plus theta, where theta is uniformly distributed in 0 to 2 pi, and n1t and n2t are wide sense stationary, and n1t and n2t and theta are all independent. So for the first question is find the expectation of zt. So for the first one, since the n1t and n2t are WSS, therefore it can be written into this form that the expectation of n1t is equal to the mean of the first one, and the second one is the same, that the mean is the second mean, and these two are constant, they are not changed. Therefore the EZT is equal to n1t cosine mu t plus theta plus n2t sine mu t plus theta, and then it can be separated because this plus symbol, it can separate into two parts, and then here is a multiply symbol, so it can be turned into these two parts plus these two parts, which is the same as previous one. And since they are WSS, it is the same as the first mean, and here is the second mean, and then this part can be written into this form, and this part here can be written into this form, and then the result is 0, since this part is equal to 0 and this part is equal to 0. And then for the second one, find RZ T1 T2 and is the ZT is WSS. So for the second question, since the RZ T1 T2 is equal to EZT1 multiplies ZT2, therefore it can be written into the is this part and this part, which is the ZT1, then is the n1 T2 cosine mu ct2 plus theta plus n2 T2 sine mu ct2 plus theta, and then I let A is equal to the n1 T1 cosine mu ct1 plus theta, B is the n2 T1 sine mu ct1 plus theta, and C is the n1 T2 cosine mu ct2 plus theta, and D is the n2 T2 sine mu ct2 plus theta. This part is this one, the B is this one, and here is the C, and here is D, and then we can do the expansion by AC, AD, and BC, BD, and then they can all connect by the plus sign. So it can be turned into this form, and then do the simplification. This one here can be written into this one, and then this one here can be written into this one. Here is this one, and here is this one. And then we can get the result is RZ mu, which is WSS. And then since ZT is WSS for the question 3, and we need to find RZ0. Therefore, RZ0 is this one. It can be written into this one over 2, which can be turned into this form over 2. And that's the answer. Thank you.